Wonolo is a platform that connects businesses with flexible, on-demand workers for various job opportunities, particularly in the warehouse, logistics, and retail industries. It allows workers to find short-term gigs that fit their schedules and preferences. By using Wonolo, both businesses and workers benefit from a more efficient and flexible workforce. To make money online with Wonolo in 2024, follow this step-by-step guide for beginners. Research and understand Wonolo. Visit the Wonolo website, wonolo.com, and familiarize yourself with their services, how they work, and the types of jobs available. Create an account. Sign up for a free account on the Wonolo website using your email address or through your Facebook or Google account. Complete your profile. Fill in all the necessary information about yourself, including your work experience, skills, and availability. This helps Wonolo match you with suitable job opportunities. Verify your identity. Upload the required identification documents, such as a government-issued ID, to verify your identity and meet legal requirements. Background check. Consent to a background check, which may include a criminal history check, to ensure a safe and secure working environment for both you and the businesses using Wonolo. Download the Wonolo app. Install the Wonolo mobile app on your smartphone to access job opportunities on the go and receive real-time updates. Browse and apply for jobs. Search for jobs that match your skills, preferences, and availability. Read the job descriptions carefully and apply for the ones that interest you. Accept job offers. Once your application is accepted, you can choose to accept or decline the job offer. If you accept, you'll receive more details about the job, including the location, time, and tasks involved. Complete the job. Arrive at the job site on time, follow the instructions provided, and complete the tasks assigned to you. Make sure to maintain a professional attitude and follow safety guidelines. Submit timesheets and get paid. After completing the job, submit your timesheet through the Wonolo app or website. You'll receive payment for your work within a few days, usually through direct deposit or a prepaid debit card. Review and rating. After each job, provide feedback about your experience and rate the employer. This helps maintain a transparent and trustworthy platform for both workers and businesses. Build your reputation. As you complete more jobs and receive positive reviews, your Wonolo reputation will improve, making you more attractive to businesses and increasing your chances of getting more job offers. By following these steps, you can make money online with Wonolo in 2024 while enjoying the flexibility of choosing jobs that fit your schedule and preferences.